What is going on, guys, and welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video we're going to talk about two-dimensional transformations in CSS. So you can see that I have a div over here. So the first thing I would need to do is add a new rule, and the new rule is going to be that I'm going to have a width, let's say, and I'm going to have a height, right? So width is going to be 100 pixels, the height is also going to be 100 pixels over here like this, and let's say we're going to add some background color. And we're going to say that the background color is going to be, I don't know, something like coral, something like this. So the next thing what we can do is actually add a transform property, and we can start by looking at the values. So the first value that I would want to look at is actually translate, and that actually moves the box, right? So if I write over here 50 pixels, and then over here I write 50 pixels, so you can see as my box is moving. And obviously you can play around with those values however you would want, right? However, let's have a look at another value, and that's going to be rotate. And rotate we're going to write in degrees. So here if I write 20 degrees, you can see how my box is actually rotating. And I obviously could have written the negative value, let's say something like this. So now you can see that it's rotating the other direction. However, with the box, it's obviously, if we write positive or negative, it comes out pretty much the same way, right? So the next thing that I would want to look at is actually scale, where we're actually scaling the value, let's say, of our box. So if I'm going to write 0.5 and 0.5, obviously it's going to be scaling exactly the same way, just to 0.5, right? Or if we could write here like 3, and over here we're going to have 4, 5, 4. So basically we're scaling according to our horizontal and vertical values. Now another interesting is actually skew, where we are writing skew, and we have skew x, where we have, again, we could write like 20 degrees, or we could have a skew y over here. Let's say there's something like this. So when we're styling the vertically. This is going to be it for this video, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.